Hi, hello to all the viewers. Hi to all the viewers. Very happy Janmashtami to everyone. So, I'm Diksha from Evento, and we have a live session with Kiran today. She is a makeup artist, and she will be coming up with some great skincare tips and some verbal makeup tips as well. So, we'll join her to this session. So, I'm adding Kiran to the session.
Sorry for
It's okay. It's okay. I guess still there is some little problem with your voice. Yeah, I can hear you, but not very clear.
okay. I'll try it. Again fix the network otherwise. But is it fine?
No, it's better now. It's your picture is little blur, but voice is better now. It's audible.
Okay. Yeah. So how's you? A very happy Janmashtami to everyone there.
Yeah, thank you and thank you from all the viewers. A very happy Janmashtami to you as well.
So how did you spend your Janmashtami, Diksha? No pandemic out
It
there.
went quite well. We celebrated it. Yeah, we were not able
place.
to, decorate Jhanki that well this time, but we celebrated it yesterday only. There have been 2 days for Janmashtami this time. One was yesterday, one is today. So, people are celebrating according to their own,
Yeah.
thing.
So
And
let's
there has
start
been
with
some terrible network issue today. I mean, there was some issue with your phone as well as with Instagram.
Yes.
Every time the video was ending, sometime it was recording. I don't know what was happening. Something very strange, in fact.
Yeah. Happens sometimes.
Exactly. So, Kiran, let's start with the session. We have all our viewers here. A very warm welcome to everyone and to you as well.
Yeah.
So Kiran, let's start with your, coming up as a makeup artist. How did you choose this platform? When did you decide that you'll pursue this as your, passion and career?
Yeah, I'm from a fashion industry, so makeup also come into fashion, modeling.
Right.
I was a
Right.
fashion student, okay? So I did my
Okay.
fashion designing. So after that, I was some bit of losing my confidence, I don't know
Okay.
why. I was shy to go outside. So
Okay.
it was my mother who pushed me for this, that you go for makeup artist, shine. No,
Right.
she's the one who pushed me for this. No, she wanted to be a makeup
Okay.
artist at her time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So her daughter is living her dream and making her mother's dream
Yeah.
come true as well. That's so
Yeah,
great.
actually.
So you
Let's
are
have
working as a freelancer right now.
Yeah, working as a freelancer. I'm a content creator.
Okay.
I work as makeup artist, but being a makeup artist, I love
Okay.
myself. I don't know, I gain that
Right.
confidence to go out,
Okay. Meeting new people, interacting with them, and then,
Yeah,
loving what you are doing.
yeah.
So, Kiran, I like you are into facial yoga and you are into skincare
Yeah.
tips also. I visited your page also. There were some beautiful makeup pictures, skincare tips for monsoon, for the brides to be, and some generic tips which cover all the girls out there. I mean, skin is something which is, on nerves for every girl. I mean, every girl wants a flawless skin. So what would you yourself suggest for that?
Yeah. For having a flawless skin, it's from, inside. If a girl is happier from inside, now she'll like shine. She'll definitely have a flawless
Right.
shine on her skin. Okay, so that comes
Right.
from within. If you're happy from within, you will be happy from outside. Your skin will be happy. No, what we
Right.
can do is to take care of our skin is cleansing, toning, and moisturizing is a must in this humid weather.
Okay. Yeah.
We cleanse our face. After that,
Right.
toner is a must. Before becoming a makeup artist, I usually avoid this step. I usually used to avoid
Okay.
this. Toning. I
Okay.
don't give much more emphasis on that. Okay, so
Right.
toning importance ना मुझे makeup artist बनने के बाद पता चली, which I used to avoid it at first. Toning
Okay.
actual brings, after washing our face, हमारा skin का जो
Right.
pH balance होता है, that washes away also, ठीक है? So
Right.
what
Right.
toner does it brings back our pH balance of our skin.
Okay.
Okay. Do you understand? The importance of toning.
Exactly. To maintain the pH balance in order to,
Yes.
get in with same texture and all. So, Kiran, will you, what company do you suggest best for toners? Like, if our
See,
viewers want to stick to one or two brands, which are the ones which you suggest?
See, it depends skin to skin. A person should know what skin type of his or her own. ठीक है? हमें
Right.
अपना skin type पता होना चाहिए, right?
Right.
According to
Right.
that, we have to select the products. We don't have to see कि
Right.
हाँ मेरी friend ये use कर रही है, so I can use it as well. Okay?
Right.
That is
Right.
not
Right.
the way. Okay? I am an
Right.
acne prone skin. I have a combination skin, so I go for mild toners, which have salicylic acid and that.
Okay.
For acne skin and combination skin, I suggest the Biotech one.
Okay.
I use it. It has a great results.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And
So,
something.
yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So, some of facial yoga tips or something like while you're applying makeup, how can we make it go perfect?
How can we make it more perfect? Like हमें इतना time ही नहीं होता कि हम अपने face को योगा करें या कुछ anything, ठीक है? So
Right.
what we can do is moisturizer is a must. You go outside or
Right.
you are at home. Moisturizer and the SPF is a must. Whether you are at your place, UV rays can
Right.
pass out through your windows too.
Right.
So
True.
SPF and moisturizer are a must.
Right.
So while applying moisturizer, what you can do is you can have some 2-3 postures of your face yoga. You can, like always apply moisturizer in a upward direction, like
Right.
this way. Do you understand? No, it uplifts your skin.
Right. It doesn't
Yeah.
like cheeks shouldn't go saggy or bent or
Yeah.
too clumsy. Right.
For your eyes, you can have like, 2 fingers, you can have like this and massage it like this.
Okay.
While applying moisturizer, you have nothing to do separately, set or anything. Moisturizer lagate हुए we can do this.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's like easy 5 to 10 or 15 minutes yoga while you are trying to
Not even just that.
moisturize.
Just 2 to 5 minutes. That's it.
That's it. Right.
Yeah.
And some verbal makeup tips. I mean, something that there's a step-wise flow chart which one should follow. So what are your suggestions for this? What are your steps which you suggest while you are applying makeup?
I love a technique known as reverse makeup. It gives a flawless base to your skin. Flawless base. Now, what it
Right.
have is you have to apply every step before foundation and you have to apply foundation later. Like from concealing,
Okay.
contouring, applying blush, applying highlighter,
Right.
and later on the foundation.
Right.
All reverse. It all reverse. It gives you a natural, flawless look.
Okay. Okay. So this is a reverse tip. I'm sure our viewers must want to know more about it. So like, can you just explain a little more about it? Like, how does it go?
Okay, make sure you have to use cream based products
Okay.
is a must. Okay, like cream
Okay.
based blush, you have blush sticks.
Okay.
Now we have cream blushers.
Right.
Like we have, first step is concealer. Let's go like sequence wise. Okay, apply concealer,
Right.
right? It should be also a
Right.
cream based concealer. Okay, blend
Okay.
it well onto your skin. Next step is apply your blush or a highlighter. Highlighter
Right.
also should be a cream based. No, we don't
Okay.
have powders in this process.
Right. Right. Right.
Yeah, that if we apply powders on cream, that will make your face look cakey. We don't want the cakey skin. We want a
Right.
natural
Right. We
look.
want
Yeah.
it to go natural. Right.
Yeah, yeah.
So, okay. So this is a reverse makeup tip, and I'm sure this will be very, convincing to people there. And there is a question. Someone has this query. They want you to suggest good moisturizer for dry skin.
For dry skin, we have Embryolysses. It's really good for dry skin.
Okay.
Yeah. Best
And
one.
okay.
For
And
acne
what?
skin, I can suggest the best one is go for Neutrogena brand. It's the best
Okay.
for acne prone skin. I have seen a magical results of that product or a moisturizer of any of the product of Neutrogena.
Okay. Okay. And some other tips which you want to give to all the brides to be, and for the generic monsoon season, something.
No, for brides, I can say that you can have, budget friendly makeup products, but don't go for budget friendly skincare products. I have a
Okay.
word like skin investment. We have to invest on our
Right.
skin more rather than on makeup. No, if we invest
Okay.
on our skin,
Right.
that better makes us look I'm sorry. If we invest on our skin, it makes our makeup look more flawless.
Right. 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 And makeup
Yeah.
is one time thing, but skin is something that is like till you are, your skin is there. And if
Yeah.
it looks flawless and bright, that gives a very different and a very bold impression. So, and
Yeah.
that
So
every
I
girls,
am a person
most.
who usually
Right.
don't go out every time with makeup. Okay, I am not a everyday
Right.
makeup person. So I want my
Right.
skin to be like that. Ki I don't need much of makeup.
Right. Right. So thank you, Kiran. Thank you so much for this session.
Thank
And
you.
I'm
And
sure you have.
I'll soon be starting my own classes for more information.
Okay.
Guys, do follow me
Okay.
on my page. And thank you,
Yeah.
Vento, so much. Thank you, Diksha. It was a fun
Thank you.
session.
Thank
I
you,
was
Kiran.
nervous. This is my first live session. I was very nervous.
It never seemed like it's your first session. I'm sure you have great future
It was
ahead.
fun. It was actually fun.
Thank you, Kiran, for staying
Thank you.
in touch with us and for your connection. Thank you, Kiran. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
So we had this amazing session with Kiran, who is so jolly and phenomenal with her work. Also, Evento has again come up with a giveaway. This time it's Nykaa voucher. So to all the girls and guys there, don't lose this opportunity. Just stay tuned, participate in our giveaways, DM us in case of any queries. Come up, get connected with us. We'll always keep coming up with more and more amazing live sessions. And yeah, this giveaway result will be announced on Independence Day and starts from today. So Janmashtami and Independence Day special giveaway we have, and just participate and just try your luck. So thank you to everyone. A very happy Janmashtami. Bye bye.